Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the plumbing apprentices, the trade. And for today's adventure, on a Saturday, we have a pesky water heater relief valve that is dripping onto the floor. And of course, everyone's worst fear is that the relief valve blows while no one's home. So we're going to go ahead and change it out and make sure everything is good. We'll see you when we get inside. That's what you all like. Wow. And your place.
Yeah.
So I'm a little concerned.
How are you with the tilting? You're pretty ahead. You're probably more ahead than everybody else.
Yeah. And I'll be honest, I'm happy about that. Hours today because I got so much other stuff going on at once, which is it's okay, you know. So I feel good. Only thing that's a pain in the butt is the pedestals, you know.
Those sinks.
Oh my god, dude. They're the worst.
He loves those sinks.
I know.
Loves them.
And you know what?
And he's gonna put them in Ventnor too, so be prepared.
Oh, I know.
But the good news with Ventnor is you're gonna put all new piping in there.
Yeah.
So you can set up the way you want to set it up.
Yeah. The thing is, I'm just worried about the
handicap. But he has
oh no, they're allowed. I looked it up.
Oh really?
Yeah.
And the plumbing inspector. How was the plumbing inspector on Tuesday? Was he a nice guy?
I didn't even meet him.
He
He evidently knows me. Everything went great.
Perfect.
I'm not sure who it is, but you know, it's it all went very well, man. So just gonna change it out, Brett.
You think this will fix it? If
Yeah.
not, then we have to.
Yeah, I'm gonna check your temperature, your water too, because this is actually a temperature and pressure relief valve. And the water hasn't been too hot, has it?
No, I haven't touched it.
All right. So
unless somehow one of these water bottles hit the temperature, and I don't remember.
Like I want to be done the bathrooms for sure this week, which is very doable, even with my schedule. And then the filter, I'll plan on doing next, and then it's just a matter of getting on. I don't know why that water came out of there, because none came out of the pipe. You have a rag, Brett?
Yeah.
Old towel. That's what's supposed to happen when the relief valve and nothing came out. Well, of course, it just came out on the floor. We love making messes.
There you go. Alright.
Just open that up. No water came out. But and then by the time you guys get done your front section, like all the sheetrock and all that cabinetry and
the sink came in and they gave me the wrong sink.
I was standing right there.
Yeah, wrong sink was there, so they have to order another one now. That'll be in next week.
That's an undermount though, right?
Yeah.
So, you know. Now I'm actually gonna have help with the
Ventnor.
yeah. What about the heat system over there? What's going on with that?
I'm probably gonna use. I might use McAllister and just have him put the package unit in.
That's why I just get this little section done. And this should solve your problem, Brett. Definitely solve your problem. Is that what you put your hand in front of them faucets?
Yeah.
They're actually nice. Don't forget your packing nut, folks.
That was an expensive faucet.
I know.
But it works great.
It's like 500, right?
Yeah.
Quick water heater relief valve change. Off camera, I did explain to Brett that if the thermostat on the water heater doesn't shut off the gas, that will also cause your relief valve to blow because of the temperature is too hot. But we don't think that's the case. It just maybe got bumped or just a faulty relief valve. Anyway, we did get it done. We did change it out. The water's back on. I did lower the temperature just a little bit and also tighten the packing nut. Really couldn't talk because me and Brett were talking about some other stuff, but common plumbing problem. So with that, we will see you at the next one. And there goes another satisfied customer. Happy Saturday.